Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Hi traders, Anthony here, just taking a look at the NAS 100. So we've traded up into resistance, as you can see here on the daily. We've got a bit of an indecision candle here. It is a bullish candle with a wick above and below, more bullish than bearish. However, when looking at this, I think we've got room for this to move south at the moment. That's my take on this. Now we do have this gap above. Okay, so I'm thinking this pulls back and it could work its way up, but I don't see it pushing directly from this level. Right, so I'm going to be looking for the retrace. Let's just call that a price gap on the daily. We'll just name that price gap 1D. So I'm just going for a quick short on this one at the moment. It's tapped into liquidity under. So if we have a look, say this low here, these lows I should say. So we've traded down through and pushed up off that. So that's given it a bit of a boost. We go down to the 4 hour, get a bit closer to it. What I'm thinking is possibly we see this give us a bit of a retrace. We could pull a fib high to low, low to high I should say. It's currently sitting here and I'm going for a quick trade. It's just a play down to possibly around here somewhere, and then I'll be looking at potential buy opportunity. All right, but I'll go for this pullback before I enter long. So then if we go down to the hourly, let's get a bit closer to it. We do have under here, we have a, let's have a look. This thin candle here, it's pushed up off this. It's pushed up off here. And I'm thinking that this is going to come back down looking to rebalance. Right, so we're looking at this gap. If we see this thin candle here, this green candle, the candle left, the high and the low on the right, yeah, it's starting to get a bit of movement now. I'm looking at potential for this to even trade a little bit further, okay, and look to rebalance, look to fill this gap. So we do have under support, so I'll just call that a gap, 4 hour, 4H, and we have under here, so this red candle, say accumulation zone, like we could mark that up as a point of interest, buy. All right, okay, so that's what I'm looking for at the moment, is a retrace down into these levels and then a potential buy opportunity. We'll just see. Look at these wicks above and below here. It's pretty volatile, and then it's been consolidating here through the Asian session, and I'm thinking if they do want to take it long, they're going to look for liquidity. I'm talking smart money. They will look to tap into liquidity, and where is there liquidity? That's right for the taking. So we've got these buyers in here and stop losses resting under. We've got an imbalance and a potential for this to attack liquidity, sell side liquidity under here and look to rebalance. So that's the play that I'm taking at the moment. Now I'll be well, I actually shorted it up here, so I'll be going for quick money. I just would be interested in closing my position fairly early. Okay, so this is a retrace. If we go out and have a look at it, let's have a look on the daily. What is the trend? Trend's been bearish. Okay, so bearish, bit of a pullback, but I'm not convinced with this price gap sitting above or resting above. Okay, so I'm thinking, see how it pulls back. See, it trades down, it pulls back, so we can see some pretty severe pullbacks. See what I mean up here? We had this move, say from this level, this distribution. All right, see how the market pulls back up into these levels and back here as well. It trades off, but we've got this price gap here. So at some stage, I'm thinking this will definitely look to trade back up in around here. However, it does that to rebalance this. But at the moment, short-term play is short, and if we go down to the 15-minute, see how we go with that, and I'll be looking to close most of my position in around here, around 50 to 618. Right? This is my yellow zone. Guys, if you haven't already, join my Discord group. The link is below. It's free to join, and you're most welcome. Alright guys, with that, I hope you have a great day, safe trading, and we'll see you in the next one.